Hi, my name's Matthew Jester, just making a quick video here. So I have a certificate of completion just showing that I'm competent and certified in the field of hypnosis. This is from Mike Mendel Hypnosis Academy. And then I'm going to go ahead and just get started with my general introduction. Hi, my name is Matthew Jester. Please watch my video, Hypnosis, Abuse, and Speech Inhibition. I will leave a link to watch the video in the description. I will also leave additional links in the description of other relevant videos. I've been abused with hypnosis, and my ability to speak is being inhibited with hypnosis, which is why I have to read everything when I make videos. If you notice me stuttering, speaking slowly, being unable to speak clearly, or any other difficulty speaking, I explain in detail the specific methods and techniques that are being used to inhibit my ability to speak in my video, Hypnosis, Abuse, and Speech Inhibition. These issues speaking occur consistently in each of my videos, specifically within the first 3 minutes. The hypnosis inhibiting my ability to speak is often very noticeable throughout my videos, and I will leave a list of the various hypnotic commands that are specifically being used to inhibit my ability to speak that can be recognized in my body language, facial expressions, tone of voice, and speech patterns in the description. So, let's see. Moving on, what I was talking about was the pictures that I identified in the drawings that I was hitting that cued metaphors that I was told when I was hypnotized. So the pictures and the letters cued specific metaphors I was told when I was hypnotized. Let's see, and then that means indicating the pictures John Matthew Hurl drew in the letters, indicating even the pictures were premeditated. Okay. So I just wrote that. The pictures and the letters cued specific metaphors I was told when I was hypnotized, indicating even the pictures John and Matthew Hurl drew were even premeditated. Or I could just say were premeditated instead of even, because doing that twice is kind of unusual. Saying that twice, sorry about that. So I'm trying to think about how to do this with a video. Let's see. Alright, Alright, there it is. I was looking at the letters earlier. I remember that. Went over a lot of the things that were in that. So let's see. In order to prevent me from writing it down, so then like this is the part that's like just like, I mean, the hypnosis is making it really difficult for me to describe. The reason being is because the hypnosis is making it difficult for me to describe. Very difficult. Sorry about that. So what's going on is I would be what's going on. Uh, Seeing the harder this is making it, right, the more evidence I have of the hypnosis inhibiting me. So I'm gonna get this done now. The and the more like even the hand motions are also the hypnosis. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's just a distraction or something along those lines. Confusion probably as well. So like anyways, the metaphors would be broken up basically into small pieces um, that were insignificant individually. Um, and I was hypnotized to remember them and like small over and I was hypnotized to remember a portion, a fragment of a metaphor over an extended period of time. That's what's becoming so difficult to describe. Wow. And I mean, you could probably describe it 1,000 different ways too, using the same words: segment, fragment, portion. Let's see, I should be able to find a pretty easy word here to describe it. I think I'm just going to go with segment. Ow. Or portion. The metaphors were divided. There we go. Into small into incomplete portions, or I could even say confusing, vague, indirect. Confusing and vague portions. And what they would do also is they would repress my memory of the last metaphor or metaphor portion before I was cued to remember the next one. Over several hours. And my memory would be repressed. Of each I noticed, okay, so I also want to point out here, I'm going to show you this in the video. Let's see. So you can see here my memory right there. Hold on just a second. There we go. I started to write the word M2, right? You can see it, my memory, well, or my would be repressed. And I'm supposed to have the word memory written there. So that's what the hypnosis would do as an example. My memory would be repressed of each segment. Before I was hypnotized, I was cued to remember the next. So I actually do remember, I mean, like, it's a little confusing, but I do remember they had, well, they would repress certain segments out of my memory, right? So that I wouldn't be able to remember it so easily. This was done to... Wow, the hypnosis is really inhibiting me. I'm going to take this phone call, so hold on just a second.